purse, which is so cute. I love handbags, so especially excited to carry that, even though it literally just consists of some money. I am thinking of some essentials that I want to put in my new handbag, but I will probably do that tomorrow. Right now, let's go. Probably 2 weeks, which is quite a lot of time, like quite a lot of time speak. Yeah, I'm just glad that I am finally putting this up. This footage was like over for over 2 weeks, and I still have like some footage that I will probably use in the next vlog, because it just wasn't fitting the vibe of what I'm going for. So yeah, finally that is up. If you haven't watched that, you should go watch it, because I uploaded a bomb chicken sikh biryani recipe. It was so good. You guys should definitely go check that out. Also, I do think that this fan is really loud and I should have shut it off before vlogging, but fail. Anyways, yeah, go watch that vlog and I will see you in the next clip. Ahaha, pure love. Oof. I make soya bean pulao for the very first time. I'm not a huge fan of soya bean, so Anushka will do the taste test. Too hot. अच्छे This is literally half the mess of what came out. This entire bed was filled with clothes that we do not wear. Anyways, so this is, it's so dark, you probably cannot see, but it's a little organized. Yep, you can't see, but anyways, task done.
छोटी जगह पे छोटी सी जगह में पैसे डालने पड़ी होते मम्मी को बुलाएंगे मम्मी को बुलाएंगे इधर से उधर से जाओ